Johannesburg stand with hope in their eyes. Different languages, one heartbeat still, working for tomorrow with unshaken will. From the favelas where the children sing, to the savannah where the birds take wing. Townships crying freedom is near. Love is stronger than hatred and fear. Hands to the sky, let the people unite. No matter the color, we all need the light. Jah never divide what mankind should embrace. One love, one family, one human race. Rise up, Brazil, let your spirit shine. South Africa, your freedom still divine. Kenya, keep running with courage and grace. Jah bless every tribe, every tongue, every place. Rise up, Brazil, let your spirit shine. South Africa, your freedom still divine. Kenya, keep running with courage and grace. Jah bless every tribe, every tongue, every place. No wall stand, stop what love begun. Under one moon, beneath one sun. Samba rhythm beating through the night. Drums of Africa keeping hope alive. Maasai walking with honor and pride. Ubuntu spirit standing side by side. Coffee fields growing under morning dew. Gold in the earth but the people stay true. Justice sweeter than silver and gold. A righteous story forever told. No corruption, no chains anymore. Open the heart and open the door. Feed the hungry, teach the youth. Plant every seed with love and truth. No child should cry because of greed. No mother should beg for what she needs. Just see every tear that falls like rain, healing every wound in every pain. Rise up, Brazil, let the lion roar. South Africa, open every door. Kenya, keep shining from shore to shore. The voice of Jah is calling once more. One blood flowing through every vein. One hope rising after the rain. The earth belongs to everyone. Together we'll overcome. From Rio to Cape Town to Nairobi, the fire keeps burning. Jah guide the people, Jah bless the nation. One love for